Friends, welcome back. In this session, it's yet another interesting content that we are going to learn through Python. Can we take a screenshot with Python? Is it possible? Yes, it's pretty much possible and it's easy to do. For that, you need to go ahead with pip install pyauto.gui. Pyauto.gui has to be installed. You need to go ahead with the pip install pyauto.gui for you to proceed further. Now, I'm importing pyauto.gui as ser. So SCR is the name that I have given. You are free to give any name as you know. Now snap is the variable that I'm assigning the content to. Snap equal to SCR dot screenshot. I'm calling this method. So SCR is nothing but the pyauto.gui imported content out here as SCR. So SCR dot screenshot will get you the screenshot generated and it can be stored. Now what do I have to do? I need to store it, save it. So snap dot save. Snap is nothing but here. So I need to save it. I need to save it in the path that I want, and I am saving it in the desktop pptyt python, and inside that I give the name as image.png. That's all. It's very simple and easy to go ahead with. Can we see if it works fine? I am running it right now. So that's all, it's run. So we must have got a screenshot ready right now for us. So can we search for the screenshot? Yes, this is here. So we can, that's how we can get it. It's very simple. So this is what we have got. It's very simple, isn't it? So try it out, and in case you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment sections. I'll be happy to answer. And if you like the channel and the content, please subscribe. Thank you, folks.